Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, woodworking with an Appalachian flair.
This is Gerald Vance with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. I wanted to give you a shop tip on the way I glue up a floating panel. The first thing I wanted to point out on the floating panel, I always just barely round over the corners. And then I take one of my wife's candles and just barely put a little bit of wax on the rounded over corner. That way, if I have any glue squeeze out, it will not stick to the panel. The wax keeps it from sticking. Okay, the other thing I like to do when I get them together ready to clamp, I use my finger on the very edge because you're actually more accurate by feel than you are by sight. And that tells you when the top is perfectly aligned. And the last tip, the bottom rail is elevated from the stile, so that means I've got to make sure it's square. So in order to move it around, take a scrap block of wood and you can put on the edge and barely tap it and move it to get it exactly where you want. So that's my shop tip on gluing up a raised panel in a frame. This is Gerald Vance with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop reminding you, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.